Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So I got the bars done yesterday. Check them out. Pro taper. They look pretty good. Everything went pretty well. I'm working on the video right now. I gotta go to work. And I still have enough room to get my key in. Pops. So yeah, I'll finish working on that video today. Oh, see, we also did the pro taper grips, the renthal grips, and they're definitely grippy. They're definitely a bit wider, you know, but it seems okay. We're gonna see. Well, we'll ride and figure it out. Guys ready? So yeah, we'll get our first impressions. It is interesting. It's definitely wider, but I do feel like it's a little bit more stable this way. I don't know. I don't mind it either way. Only time will tell, right? And the controls seem not bad. They do seem a little shifted up, rotated up on this side from where they normally were. So instead of the signals being down here, but like I said, we'll ride it. If I have to, I might drill another hole or whatnot. Yeah, it's already 57 degrees outside, so it's pretty nice. It's supposed to be 70 something today, I guess, and then on Wednesday it's gonna be 90 degrees here. So I said, we don't get a summer or a spring. Jesus, it's early. We don't get a spring, so, but turn signal off. It's gonna, you know, all that muscle memory of it down here. Now I'm gonna have to. That's what I said. I'll probably get used to it. But it was a pretty easy install. Not that big a deal, you know. What else? Yeah, pretty much went off without a hitch. You know, it was pretty good. So this weekend. Hung out with my brother from another mother, the other Jason, and we had a good time. There, like I said, he's leaving. My best buddy Don's leaving. They're going to Florida. So, which is sad. You know, they've been here for years. I mean, his mother lived next to me. And so yeah, it kind of sucks, but we had a really great time this weekend, and so yeah, I think him and I went out drinking, and yes, Saturday was a wreck. I was in no shape to do anything, but we had a hell of a good time. So can't really complain with that. Oh, the one thing I didn't do was fix my mirrors. It's close. Started in second again. I do that sometimes. Start in second. You think you've kicked it all the way down, and nope. There we go. That's pretty decent. So I put the bar end mirrors on. That was another thing that I did. I got the all the adapter pieces that I needed, and we're able to take care of that. So also oiled up the lock cylinder. I told you guys my lock cylinder has been sticking. So, but yeah, so what else? Selling a ton of shit still. Ah, god damn it. And let's see. Yeah, just been selling a ton of stuff. You know, everything's going good. I paid off my my second printer last week, and so that's awesome. And I still got like $300 in my savings account. So yeah, it won't be long before I get that tuner. I'm gonna have to hit up Rick and ask him about that, because I'm definitely gonna need a tuner. So we're leaving a little later here. It's pay no attention to the clock on the bike, because that's wrong. But it's like almost 6 o'clock, so it's not bad outside. That's why I said I dress light. I just got my armored hoodie on, so you know, it's a little chilly right now. I guess it depends on what you're wearing. I'm just wearing my hoodie. I got a button up under it, but that's about it. So, but yeah, look at that sunrise. I can't wait to get a better look at that. Oh yeah, I got some packages in my backpack. I almost forgot about those. Let's get these mailed off. And this bike sounds awesome. So yeah, it looks like it's supposed to be nice all week, which is awesome. Excited. Not excited to be going to work. I wish I could just stay home. I mean, I could, but I mean, I got vacation, but that's all right. We'll go to work and come back, and I'll start working on the videos. You guys are in for a treat. I got the GoPro that I had on my head and my phone, so we'll get a couple of different angles for you guys, so that'll be pretty good. But yeah, hope everybody else had a good weekend. Oh, just ran over something. But yeah, been watching. You know, I don't know how many Star Trek, how many of my fans are Star Trek fans, but I'll tell you that I watched that Strange New Worlds TV show. That's pretty good. It's a continuation of kind of the fork that they did in Discovery with Anson Mount as Captain Pike. It's pretty good. You know, it's really like kind of a throwback to the original series. So if you like Star Trek and you haven't seen that yet, you should check it out. Picard's gotten pretty interesting too. I think season I don't know if season 2 wrapped up. I feel like maybe it did. So, but yeah. What else? I've just been watching a lot of random videos. Somebody that I kind of knew about before is Fireball Tool. That guy's awesome. He takes stuff that, you know, like he looks at popular mechanics from like the 50s and then rebuilds stuff, or not rebuilds, but builds. So he made some kind of 20-ton press with a bottle jack, and I don't know, it's pretty cool. So if you like watching people build tools and stuff, Fireball Tool's pretty good. I know a lot of people like them. Man, look at that sun. It is just, man, it's big. Yeah, and this weekend I for Mother's Day, I went down to the carniceria and picked up some arrachera and some costillas and hot Polish and all that, and I grilled that up. That was, dang, that sun is bright. I grilled everything up, so that was good. It's been probably at least 3 years since I went and grabbed some meat and stuff. You know, it's not cheap. The out here, the arrachera was up to like $8 a pound. The costillas were like $6 a pound. Yeah, I only bought 5 pounds, and 1 pound of costillas, which are ribs basically. And yeah, it was like, I didn't get, you know, by the time you get the beer and all the tortillas and everything, it was like $115. But you know what? It's cheaper than, you know, going out and you know, it's, you know, you get plenty of food and it's barbecued at home, you know, so that makes it pretty good. Like I said, haven't had it in like 3 years. Jesus, this guy wasn't even fucking looking. Jesus Christ. He just came on through. He didn't even fucking stop. Oh my goodness. So this is the part that I used to love. You know, last year is just coming in. Awesome sunrise. Oh my God. Hold your breath. Fuck. There we go. Hey, what's going on? All right, it works. I guess I'm still employed.
Yeah, today anyway.
Today. See ya. Yeah. I like her. She's nice. This is a perfect shot right here. Man, look how bright it is. Even just here in the, you know, 6 in the morning. Wow. I love it out here. It's all like prairie land, you know, clouds. That warm glow, it's amazing. So there's not much to talk about on this motovlog, but yeah, having a hell of a good time. This thing's amazing. You know, now that I'm riding it, the only thing might be where the hand controls are, but again, it's just getting used to it, right? You know. I am still thinking about the shorty levers too, the ASV levers for this thing. So, but I think the next thing I'm gonna get is what the hell do you call it? The ECU, the tuner. So I need it. I think I could probably get a little bit better gas mileage than I've been getting, you know. And if nothing else, you know, just clean it up, gain a little bit of power. That'd be nice. Like I said, I'm gonna have to ask Rick about it, because he had them do like a couple of profiles, you know, one without intake. So like, that's probably what I would do, is, you know, just be like, okay, I got an exhaust, you know, have a couple of profiles, you know, exhaust intake, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna do a cam or not. I mean, I kind of really don't want to dig into the engine right away here, but you know, I ordered up my son some of these turn signal running lights for his Navi. He was like, hey, don't forget to send me the link, and I'm like, yeah, okay. And then I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna buy it. They're only They're only 17 bucks on Amazon, so I just ordered a set for them. So, all right, everybody, we're here. What that means? Oh, let's take a look at the sunrise. That's awesome. Let's get get some of that sweet sunlight on there. I like taking pictures of it when it's like this. All right, let's snap a few pics for the gram. That looks awesome. Awesome. Super awesome. Bro taper. There we go. All right, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Easy.